Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning, children, once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. So now all of you are excited to this thing read what you have written.
Ma'am, can I read first?
Ma'am, what?
All of you are
Can I
now
read
excited to read what you have written.
Ma'am, can I read first?
Okay, let's listen from Yashmit Mishra first of all. Yes.
In my life, there are many people, but my favorite is my father, and I love him. He is my favorite person because he plays with me, he teaches me, he helps me in crafting and in making projects, etc. He also makes food for me and for my sister when my mother is not at home. He buys the thing which I want. I always make a card for him on his birthday. I always obey him and respect him. He is my favorite person in the world and I love him so much.
Very nice, beta. Very well written. Good. Next, who will read? Ashray Agarwal will read.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, I have asked Ashray now. Ashray will read. Everybody be quiet. Everybody will get their turn.
Ma'am, which page number?
Nothing, Ashray, beta. I just gave you something to write in the last period. I gave you to write something in the last period that was.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta, you can't hear me. Everybody, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
So I gave you a topic to write on it in 100 words. It's no page number. Children have to write on their own. The topic is describe your favorite person in 100 words.
But ma'am, this is SHT period.
I know, beta, because I did creative in the last period. I am continuing it. Children want to read out what they have written. Is it clear, Ashray?
Ma'am, can I read? Sorry, Daddy.
Beta, wait. Ashray, did you write? Did you write in the last period? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you want to read out?
Okay, ma'am, I'm telling. There are so many people in my life. All love me. I love most Tauji. He is best person in my life. When I want something, he buy for me. Before some days, Tauji buy a Rubik cube for me. I give respect to my Tauji.
In the heavy, my favorite person is my father. He is our
That's all,
biggest
Ashray?
duty.
That all?
Ma'am, can I read, Kanav?
Okay, Kanav read. Arav Gupta, mute yourself. Kanav read.
I have an elder sister. She is 10 years old. Her name is Ishika. I love her a lot. Her behavior is very nice. She reads in class 6. She never misses her classes. Her hobby is reading novels. She is having a lot of novels in her cupboard. She has most of them as a gift on birthday. When I face any problem, I ask her and she finds a solution for me. I think that she knows everything and can do anything. I love to spend time with her.
Very nice. Very well written. Everybody clap for Kanav.
Ma'am, now
Everybody unmute and clap for Kanav. I can see who all didn't clap. Huh? You don't want to clap now? You don't want to encourage your classmate. I can see who all are sitting like that only. Very good. Now next, who will read? Samarth Singh.
Ma'am, can I solve?
Yes? Okay, wait children, wait for a minute.
Ma'am, can I speak Samarth Singh?
Ma'am, can I speak Rasta Agarwal?
Wait, beta, wait. Somebody is here. Just a minute. Now, yes, who wants to read?
Ma'am, I
Akshay.
Samarth Singh.
Samarth Singh,
Ma'am, I
yes.
saw-
Yes, I told Samarth Singh to read. Start reading.
The favorite person in my life is my sister. Although my mother and my father are also my favorite, but she is most favorite. She is the one who can easily make me laugh. That is the reason that she is my favorite. I have special bonding with her. She is amazing girl. One of the cutest thing about us is we fight together, laugh together, play together, but we never hit or harm each other. Her name is Ashwika. She is 2.5 years old. She is not going to school now. I love everything about her. We share everything. Whatever I do, she copied it. She is my playing partner. She is pretty cute and adorable. On Raksha Bandhan, she ties Rakhi on my wrist and I give her gift. In my home, if there is birthday of anyone, she is the only one who cuts the cake in my parents' birthday or my birthday. That is the cutest thing about her. She also loves me too much. As an elder brother, I take care of her. I love her too much more than my life.
Wow, very nice. Samarth, very good. Everybody clap for him also.
Ma'am, which page number and what is the chapter?
Jasrina Rawal.
please. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please speak me.
Speak
Ma'am,
me.
can I read? Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am.
please ask me to speak. Okay? Okay,
Ma'am,
Palvi. All right, very nice.
My family is big. We live happily.
Yes, go on, Palvini.
We celebrate all festivals together. We
Palvini, have you not written?
and play together. We enjoy your food together.
Is that all?
Thank you. Ma'am, please tell the chapter and page number.
Palvini, is that all? Where were you reading from? You have not written, no? Now you'll write it and then you will show it to me.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, go and write. Sit down right now and write it. Yes,
Ma'am,
now
can I
read.
start?
Shaurya Tyagi, read.
Okay, ma'am. I have an elder sister. She is 13 years old. Her name is Bhavya. She is really cute girl. We love fighting with each other. Her behavior and attitude are very fine. She never misses her any of class.
but sometimes she told all of us to show her big experiments. And I love her all of experiments. These are really exciting. We fight against, but I love to spend time with her. She is the best sister ever. She is the strongest, helpful, greatest, and funniest sister. She most helped me. Thank you for reading this essay.
Thank you for reading this essay. What is this line? Cut this last line, Shaurya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And what was the second last line? Beta, wait. What was the second last line?
Then the second last line was, she most helped me.
Okay. She helps me the most. Okay.
Ma'am?
Make this correction
Okay, ma'am.
also. Very nice. Very well written. Yes, Jaskaran Singh.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Jasrina, beta, we are continuing the English creative work. What I gave you to write in the English creative period, children are reading out that right now. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I can't attend previous class. So can you tell what we are doing?
Okay, one of you write in the chat box. The one who has read. Kanav, just type in the chat box the topic that I gave you to write. And send it to everyone. Now,
Ma'am, can I read?
yes, Yatharth, read. Yatharth,
Ma'am,
read.
my favorite person is my Taekwondo coach. His name is Mohit Yadav, sir. His academy name is Mohit Taekwondo Academy, which is located in Mahanagar Colony. As a person, he is a very soft-hearted, soft-spoken, kind, and very careful to everyone. As my opinion, he is a very good coach and he gives extra training to all the students. He gives us training at morning as well as in evening. Sometimes he plays games with us. He is a black belt player.
Morning, ma'am.
He played in international taekwondo championship in Dubai. In his academy, there are 70 players of taekwondo. I love my coach very much.
Very nice. Very good. And beta, one line you have written as my opinion. So it should be in my opinion. Okay? Make the correction. Yes, Akshadha Tiwari.
In my life, there is a special person whom I like the most. My favorite person in my life is my father. He worked very hard for me. He helped me a lot in my life. He is my hero. My father's name is Mr. Kamendra Tiwari. He always respects my feelings. He does his all work on time. He tells me my mistakes in Hindi and make it right. When he get time, he take whole family out. Sometimes we play games together. My father helps me in my studies too.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Okay, I will only call out names of those children whose camera is on. Otherwise, now I've seen whose camera is off. I will not take your name, even if you open your camera now.
Ma'am, I am not getting the topic. What can I write?
The topic,
Then I am writing the essay.
wait, beta. Describe your favorite person in 100 words. The topic is in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written this, but I am not getting a topic.
No, not topic. I'm not right. I'm not getting the content. The topic you have already written, right? Now you're not getting to write. You're not finding what to write in it.
Ma'am, means I have found a topic of my favorite friend, and but what do I write on the lines. I don't know that.
Okay, so you can tell his nature. Like, see, this one. This boy has described his 2.5-year-old sister so well. है ना? He has described what kind of a relation they have. They play with each other. They help out each other. And what she does on everybody's birthday, she is the one to cut the cake. And how she looks. So you can describe your friend like this. Okay, Bhavya? Try to describe, try to tell each and everything of your friend and what you both do together. What all, except for apart from playing, there are so many things that you would do together. Like, for example, sharing secrets, understanding each other's problems, right? Making things together, doing some craft work together, doing your homework together, eating together sometimes.
And also doing group study.
Yes, there are so many things that friends do together. So you can include all those things. Okay, Rasya Agarwal, read out.
Okay, ma'am. I have many members in my family like grandmother, uncle, aunt, father, mother, and cousin. Everybody loves me a lot. I love everybody too. But all of these, my favorite person is my father ever. देखो उमा उमा देखो
Sir, beta, mute yourself.
and extra active. He tells he is my superhero. He scares me a lot. When I'm with my father, I am very happy. His favorite food is Rajma Chawal. Favorite color is orange. My favorite day is my father. His park, mall, and market. His hobby is making music and storybook. I respect him very much. He gives me lots of good things on my birthday and festivals. I am proud of my father very much.
Okay, beta, good. But your voice wasn't very clear, so I could not understand much of what you have written. But good, you read out well. Now who next? Daksh Pratap Singh, have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Okay.
written.
Read out what you've written,
Ma'am,
Daksh.
I am written. Ma'am, married.
What is Daksh doing? Daksh is not reading. Okay, Arav Gupta, read.
Ma'am, can I? Okay, ma'am. In my family, my favorite person is my father. He is a businessman. Whatever I want, he gives me. On Holi and Diwali, he take me to the
May
market
I?
and brought me colors, crackers, and clothes. He is my hero. Whenever I am bored,
May I
he
read?
plays
Beta,
carom
wait, no,
with.
he's reading.
I
Just
made I I made card for him on his birthday and on Father's Day. When I am in problem, he finds solution.
My favorite.
He celebrates my birthday nicely by decorating the house with balloons. I love my father very much and I obey my father.
very nice, very good. Keep it up. Next, yes, now you read, beta. Daksh, you were asking me? Who
Ma'am,
was
can I?
Beta, who was asking me to read at that time while Arav was reading? Okay, who wants to read?
Ma'am.
Varshita. Varshita, read.
Okay,
Wait,
ma'am.
I'm telling Varshita now to read.
I live in a very good family of four. Myself, my mother, my father, and my little sister.
are the members of our family. Everyone in my family loves me a lot, but I have a very good bonding with my father, as he is very kind, lovable, caring, and humble. He is a he, he is a person who always carries a smile on his face. He treats me as a princess, and he knows how to make me smile. He always tries his best to see all our family members happy. I I love him a lot, and I will try my best to fulfill all my responsibilities as a daughter of my superhero, my super dad.
Wow, so lovely. Everybody clap for her. She's written it so well.
Ma'am, may I read?
Very good, very nice.
May I read after?
Yes, yes, Aksha, read.
I live in my house with my mother, father, and my sister. They all helps me in everything, but my mother helps me a lot. She makes food for us. She helps to learn me good manners. She cooks very tasty food. My mother helps me to find my things. She helps how to skate, how to draw, how to swim, how to tell. She also tell me how to behave. In my birthday, she makes cake for me. She gives me gifts. We play together and I obey my mother.
Very nice, very good, beta. Keep it up.
Ma'am, I can read.
Yes. Wait.
I live in joint family. My family members is six. I is my mother, father, brothers, and grandmother. But my favorite person is my father. My father helps me in my homework. He is a best dad. I go to market with my dad. I play with my dad. He teach me good habits. My father is very nice. I love so much my father. My father complete my wishes. My dad is world best dad. I love my dad.
Okay, very nice, wonderful. Then next, Summer. Summer, you want to read out?
Ma'am.
My favorite person is my mother. I like my mother because she always advises me. She is my best friend and she always encourages me. My life is surrounded by many important people, but my mom is the most essential person in my life. I hope to be such a hardworking and strong person myself,
Hardworking,
and
beta, have you written it yourself or your mother has written it for you? Huh? Tell me. You have not written it yourself now? Whatever you can, you should write on your own. If you want some help, take help of your teacher or take help of your mother, but don't solely depend on her, no? To write. Now next time don't do this. Try to do it yourself. Okay?
okay.
I write my paragraph myself.
Alright, very good. Now Ashutosh Singh, yes.
My favorite person in my family is my brother. My brother's name is Amar Singh. He is very naughty, but he is very good in study. He is 5 years old. He lives in big family and he lives in city Lucknow. Every summer holiday I go to meet him. We enjoy together. His favorite game is ice and water, and he likes to eat banana and fruits and vegetable. He likes to eat ladyfinger and potato. His father name is Ajay, and his mother name is Swati Singh. He is tall. He and I together do drawing and painting. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, very good. Jaskaran, have you written?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, anybody else who wants to read
Ma'am?
out?
Ma'am, in it is written 100 words. Can I write only 80, ma'am?
All right, beta, try to drag it up till 90 words at least. Okay, so that it becomes close to what is said.
Okay, ma'am.
So no one else, Panchul Mishra, Raina Agarwal, Jasreena. You don't want to read out?
I'm writing the paragraph. I'm
Ayush.
writing.
Okay, Ayushman Saxena.
No. Ma'am, I don't know what to write. Ma'am, we write one paragraph.
You have to describe in 100 words. Okay. So all of you, those who have not done, you were not present in the previous period, just try to do it. Do it in your English creative writing copies. Beta, this topic of today that you have to write, you have to describe in 100 words your favorite person. Is that clear?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. I will try to make it 100 words.
Yes, you have to make it 100 words. Anybody else? Naman Khandelwal, beta, you've done? You want to read out?
Ma'am.
Okay, Ayushman Saxena. Yes, start reading.
Ma'am, can I read? My mother always teach me. She cooperates with me. She always loves me a lot. She always takes care. She cooks food very tasty. Tasty. She looks after me when I fall ill. She works very hard. She loves to carry suit. My mother has very simple natural. I love my mother.
Okay, very nice. Very good, beta.
Ma'am, I have done.
But you have not written, you have to give a little introduction, beta. Before writing straight away for your mother, you should tell that you have got so many people in your life, you stay with so many people, like that. You know, a little introduction is required for such things. Okay, anybody else who wants to read out? Yes, Naman.
My favorite person is my mother. My mother is a homemaker. My mother cooks delicious food for us. My mother helps me to study. She advises me what we do. She is very pretty. She loves us very much. My mother respects our grandparents and guests.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. Anybody else who is left and who wants to read out? No one. All right. So all of you almost have read what you have written. So children, what do we do now? Let's come to the end. Let's end this class over here, isn't it?
Ma'am, but when our class is over,
No, it is not over. Raina, did you read out?
ma'am.
No, I am not writing.
Okay, you have not written it.
minutes are left.
Yes, 9 minutes are still left. So who all are left to read? I'm sure there are many students still left to read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, I am left, but I am not getting the topic. How to
Oh,
write?
I'm not getting the content, beta content. टॉपिक तो मैंने दे दिया ना. अब अंदर
Ma'am,
क्या
I am
लिखना है
not-
उसे कंटेंट कहते हैं.
Ma'am, I am not getting the content. I am thinking.
Okay, Bhavya.
Ma'am, can I read?
Tell me what is your best friend's favorite food?
Ma'am, I don't know.
What is your best friend's favorite subject?
Ma'am,
Maths.
maths. Ma'am, maths.
Okay.
My favorite subject is maths.
Then Bhavya, what is your favorite
Math.
friend? Your favorite friends? No, what is your friend's favorite sport?
Ma'am, third play football.
Okay, have you included all these points in your content? He loves
I
to
have
play
not-
football. He loves
I
his
am
favorite.
not- Ma'am, I am not writing now. First, when the class will be over, I will write in my rough copy, and if it will be look good, if it will be good,
If it will look good,
and then I will write in my copy.
okay, beta. So to write about any person, you need to first know about his likes and dislikes. Okay? But even if you don't know his likes and dislikes, you can still share your relationship with him in this paragraph writing. You can tell what kind of friends you are, what do you do together, how much do you talk on phone, or do you play games together, whatever. This way also, see, other children have also written, no? So you will also be able to write. Okay. So anybody else now who's completed and wants to read? Mokshit Mishra, beta, have you read? Where is Mokshit?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I speak on my favorite friend?
Yes, of course you can speak.
My best friend name is Amishi. I love my best friend because I can share things. My best friend and my classmate gave me a surprise on my birthday, and I entered the class, and she and my classmates sang a song for me, and Amishi is my very old friend. Thank you.
Very nice. Very good, beta. But this is not enough. Have you written it down or you were just speaking it by yourself?
No, ma'am, I have written it down.
Okay, so it is very less. Why? Because you have to write it in at least 100 words, beta.
Ma'am, I'll try to.
Yes, just try to write it in detail. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So anyone has got any confusion in today's writing?
No, ma'am.
No? Now all those who have not completed the work will do it as a homework in their house. Okay? You've got 2 days holiday. In that, just try to complete it and write it in properly in about 100 words. Clear?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
when are the 2 days?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya, say.
Ma'am, there is holiday next. tomorrow.
Now bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.